In the previous video we talked about invisible hearing aids. Are they fact or fantasy? And those of you that have viewed that video will probably conclude they're fact. And here we can see the invisible hearing aids again on my hand. The right aid marked with an R, the left aid marked with an L. Remember that these are made to measure bespoke devices based on a moulding of my ears. So they are handmade and they only fit my ears. I'm going to take away the right aid and just concentrate for a minute on the left. And remember that the hearing aid uses a battery. There's the battery in the battery drawer. And when you close the battery drawer, the hearing aid is now working. It's amplifying sound. Now the good news is that recently it's been possible to create a standard one-fits-all hearing aid. Here it is. And this is the iSync made to measure hearing aid, and this is the iSync iNSTAFiT. So it's a very sophisticated digital hearing aid. It uses a battery, and I happen to have already put the battery in another one of those. There we go. And there you can see the battery in position. I'm going to take this iSync made to measure hearing aid away and just show you how simple it is to fit this device. The battery's in, it's working as a hearing aid, and I've got the choice of a number of silicone, very soft, very silicone sleeves, and these fit onto the hearing aid so that it can then be inserted into my ear. So I just pop that onto the sleeve, get it in position. Look at the end of the hearing aid. That's where the sound waves come out in my ear canal and go down to my eardrum, and they're amplified. The sound is picked up at this side of the hearing aid, at this end, that's at the outside of my ear, and then amplified by the digital signal processing device. So this is the first iNSTAFiT iSync invisible hearing aid. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to use this device in my ear. I'm going to take it and I'm going to pop it into my left ear. And usually the best thing to do is to get the removal handle against the tragus. So you just pop it in like that. I'm just going to stop for a minute so you can see the landmarks. There's the removal handle. You can see I'm at the end of my ear. And I'm now going to just pop the aid into my ear canal. And I use the end of my finger just to get it to sit nice and comfy. Make sure that everything's in place. I can actually hear it now, amplifying the sound. And there you go. It's in my ear. It's very comfortable. And it's very, very discreet. To get it out, I just get my finger onto the removal handle on the tragus wall and just lift and remove, and there it is. So basically the good news now is we've got a number of alternatives of invisible hearing aids. We've got this one which is readily made, and you'll see on my next video how I would program that for an individual person's hearing loss. Or I can go to what we may call bespoke, custom made, and that one fits made to measure for my ear, again down in my ear canal.